Our laptops, tablets, and smartphones, almighty smartphones, are incredible tools to create incredible things in incredible speed. But next to the big opportunity lies major challenges. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips to be more digitally productive. So let's start with tip number one, the first and most important tip of all. Turn off every single notification possible. I personally only keep voice notifications, sound notifications for my incoming calls. And the people who are closest to me know that if they have something urgent, they can always call me. All other voice or sound notifications are simply turned off. In my opinion, if you want to be productive, you should always use your devices proactively. You choose when you're using them, when you're using every single app, when you're using whatever you want. Don't let the app use you. Don't be the tool for your smartphone. Make sure your phone serves you and you're not becoming your phone's servant. I personally do keep silent notifications for my messaging platforms and SMS, but that's it. Emails, social networks, everything else simply have no notifications at all. If I want to consume content, I'll proactively do it. So no beep beeps for me, no annoying OCD producing red dots with numbers on them to be stressed. Nothing. I know that this might very well be the hardest thing to implement for most people, but it's also the most life-changing one. Learning to resist the psychological urge to answer every single call, to answer every single message is a key to success in almost every area in life. If you want to manage something big, if you want to create something big, you can't major in minor things. You can't deep down into every single detail every single time someone wants you to. Tip number two is keeping your home screens as clean, as focused as possible. Put as few apps as possible on your home screen and keep most other apps as far away as possible, especially the more addictive ones. I only have my phone app, browser, camera, WhatsApp, and SMS on my home screen. That's it. That and my schedule. That's also true for your laptop. Keep your desktop as clean and free as possible. Make sure you're focused and there's nothing that can call for your attention. Make your digital devices clutter-free. By the way, that's also true for your workspace and desktop and table and chairs and everything in your office or room, but that's for another video. So after we discussed what we should get rid of, let's talk about the positives. One of the greatest functions your phone has to offer is reminders. Reminders, reminders, reminders. Me personally, I use my reminder app to remind me, for example, to write down every single day in the evening 3 things I'm grateful for. Let your phone be your personal assistant, not the annoying one who always urges you with unimportant questions, the great one who quietly reminds you of the most important things that are the most important to you. And positive is understanding, is all about understanding how the feeds in your social media works. I'm talking about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and everything else that will ever come out. These apps want to keep you on them for as long as possible, so they can show you as many ads as they possibly can to make as much money they possibly can from businesses. They will constantly show you, always show you, what they believe you will like watching. How would they know? How can they know what you like watching? Well, they know what you watch, practically speaking. They know what kind of things you like or press thumbs up on, or what you comment. For example, if you like this video or subscribe to it, you'll see more of my videos in your feed. So if you want more positive, helpful, practical, important, something positive in your life, something inspirational in your feeds, simply go into a few pages you like, a few people you like who share great stuff, great content, and like and comment on few of their posts, and then your feed will start changing. You can deliberately, intentionally change your feed in your social networks. All you have to do is choose what you want to see. The last tip for today is to have at least, at the minimum, one online group chat for celebrations. That means you have a group chat with a few people, not too many, and every single time one of you guys are doing something positive, one of you guys have made a success, any sort of success, even a very small one, you can publish it in the group, and every people in the group have to comment how great and amazing and excited they are for you. This is a celebration group chat. Of course, you should make sure that you're not checking this group every 3 seconds, but it will for sure put you in the right mood to be more productive and help you actually implement one of the most important productivity skills, that is celebrating success. Do you have a digital productivity tip you want to share with us? I'd like to read about it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.